Have you ever experienced the frustration of a declined Venmo payment? That sinking feeling when your transaction fails right when you need it most. Don't worry, this comprehensive guide will walk you through step by step solutions to fix declined Venmo payments and get your transactions working smoothly again. Payment declines on Venmo can happen for several common reasons. Let's explore the main culprits that cause these frustrating transaction failures. The most common reason for Venmo payment declines is insufficient funds in your linked bank account or Venmo balance. To check your Venmo balance, open the app and look at your account overview. Your current balance is displayed prominently at the top. For your linked bank account, navigate to the Settings menu in Venmo, then select Linked Accounts to see your bank balances. If your balance is insufficient, Venmo will show a payment declined message like this. Venmo sets daily limits on how much money you can send, and these limits depend on whether your account is verified. If you're unverified, your daily sending limit is $299.99, which can cause payments to be declined if you try to send more. Verified users enjoy much higher limits, up to $2,999.99 per day for sending money. Let's look at Venmo's limit chart to see the differences clearly. To get these higher limits and avoid declines, you need to verify your identity. The verification process requires your ID, social security number, and a photo. In the Venmo app, start verification by going to the Security Check screen. Look for the Next button to begin the process. You'll see prompts to enter your verification code and submit your information. Follow the arrows in the app interface to complete each step. Once verified, your account limits increase automatically, helping to resolve payment decline issues when sending larger amounts. One common reason for Venmo payment declines is issues with your linked debit or credit cards. These can include expired cards, incorrect card details, or outdated information in the app. First, check if your card has expired. Look at the expiration date printed on your physical card. If the month and year shown have passed, your card is expired and needs to be replaced. Next, verify that the card details entered in Venmo are correct. This includes the CVV security code on the back of the card, the billing address associated with the card, and the full card number. Even small errors can cause payment declines. To update or remove payment methods, open the Venmo app and tap the menu icon, then select Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Payment Methods to see your linked cards and accounts. Here you can remove outdated cards by tapping the minus icon or add new ones by selecting Add Bank or Card. Make sure to enter all details accurately when re-adding. Venmo employs sophisticated security systems to protect users from fraudulent activity. When a payment appears suspicious, the system automatically flags it and prevents the transaction from going through. Several factors can trigger these security flags. Unusually large transaction amounts that deviate from your normal spending patterns may raise red flags. Payments sent to new or unfamiliar contacts, especially if they're outside your usual network, can also trigger suspicion. Finally, activity originating from a new or unusual geographic location compared to your typical usage can prompt security measures. To prevent these security flags from blocking legitimate payments, it's crucial to verify your identity with Venmo. This builds trust in your account and reduces false positives. When a payment triggers Venmo's security flags, you'll receive a decline notification. The transaction won't process, and you'll need to address the underlying issue before trying again. Remember, completing Venmo's identity verification process is the best way to minimize suspicious activity flags and ensure smooth payment processing. When a payment is declined due to suspicious activity flags, start by verifying your identity with Venmo if you haven't already done so. Next, contact Venmo support to explain the transaction and confirm that it is legitimate. This will help resolve the suspicious activity flag. Network connectivity issues can prevent Venmo transactions from processing. Start by checking your internet connection, whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data. Look at your Wi-Fi signal strength. The icons show different levels from no connection to full strength. If you see weak or no signal, that could be the issue. Try switching between different networks. For example, turn off Wi-Fi and use cellular data, or connect to a different Wi-Fi network to see if the problem persists. Restarting your router and modem can often fix connectivity problems. Unplug both devices, wait 30 seconds, then plug them back in, and wait for them to fully restart. Test your internet speed to confirm your connection is working properly. Good speeds typically show download and upload rates in Mbps, with low ping times. Check your device's connectivity settings to ensure Wi-Fi or mobile data is enabled and connected. Look for the Wi-Fi toggle and make sure it's turned on. Clearing the Venmo app cache can resolve temporary glitches and improve app performance. This is available on Android devices, but iOS does not allow clearing individual app cache. First, open your phone's Settings app. You can usually find it in your app drawer or pull down the Quick Settings panel. Next, scroll through your settings and look for Apps or Applications. Tap on it to see your installed apps. In the Apps list, scroll to find the Venmo app and tap on it to open its settings. In the Venmo app settings, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing issues. Venmo requires location services to be enabled for security purposes, helping to verify transactions and prevent fraud. Without location access, payments may be declined. Let's see how to enable this on both iOS and Android devices. On iOS devices, start by opening Settings and scrolling to Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services and ensure the main toggle is enabled. Then scroll to find Venmo in the app list. For Venmo, select while using the app or ask next time to allow location access during transactions. On Android devices, open Settings and tap Location to enable location services overall. Ensure the Use Location toggle is on. Then check App Permissions for Venmo specifically. In App Permissions, find Venmo and allow location access, choosing Allow all the time or Allow only while using the app for best results. Sometimes, basic troubleshooting isn't enough. Contact Venmo support directly when you've tried other fixes, but still face issues like suspicious activity flags, bank verification problems, or potential unauthorized transactions. To reach Venmo support, open the Venmo app and navigate to the menu. Select Help and Support, then choose Contact Us to see available options. From the Contact Us screen, you can choose to chat with support instantly, send an email, or call them directly. Each option connects you to Venmo's customer service team. When contacting support, have your transaction details ready, including the transaction ID, account information, and a clear description of the problem. This helps the support team assist you more effectively. When contacting Venmo support, start by clearly stating the issue. Explain exactly what happened with your payment decline, including when it occurred and any error messages you received. Next, provide specific transaction details to help support investigate. Include the transaction ID, payment amount, recipient's username, and the exact date and time of the attempted payment. Finally, be patient while Venmo support investigates your issue. They may need to review security logs, contact your bank, or check for system issues, which can take some time. Sometimes the issue causing your Venmo payment decline isn't with Venmo itself, but with your bank. Banks may place holds or restrictions on transactions as a security measure to prevent fraud. Banks implement these holds to protect your account from suspicious activity. For example, if a transaction seems unusual, they might temporarily freeze it until they can verify it's legitimate. You might receive notifications from your bank about these holds. This letter template shows how banks communicate when an account is on hold due to payment issues. Banks also use alerts to notify you about account changes or restrictions. This banking alerts page shows how you can set up notifications for security-related events. Bank fraud control departments are responsible for monitoring and preventing suspicious transactions. This organizational chart shows how banks structure their fraud prevention teams. If you suspect your bank has placed a hold on your account, contact them directly. Speak with a representative to inquire about any restrictions or holds that might be affecting your Venmo payments. Venmo occasionally experiences system outages that can affect payment processing. During these outages, payments may fail and show error messages. To check for outages, visit Venmo's status page at venmo.statuspage.io for real-time updates. You can also check Venmo's social media channels like Twitter and Facebook for outage updates and alerts. Monitor Venmo's status page and social media channels during suspected outages for the latest information. If payments are being declined, it could be due to a Venmo system outage. Venmo maintains an official status page where they report any ongoing issues, maintenance, or resolved problems. To find the status page, open your web browser and go to status.venmo.com. You can also search for Venmo status in your preferred search engine to find the official page. On the status page, look for indicators of system health. If everything is normal, you'll see all systems operational in green. Look for any incidents or maintenance notices that might explain payment declines. The page shows if issues are being investigated, in progress, or already resolved. In addition to the status page, check Venmo's official social media accounts like @Venmo on Twitter for real-time updates about any system issues or maintenance that might be affecting payments. In addition to status pages, Venmo often updates its social media accounts during outages. This provides another way to get real-time information about any issues. To find Venmo's official Twitter account, search for @Venmo support using the Twitter app or website. This is their dedicated support handle where they post updates about outages and issues. On Facebook, search for Venmo and look for the official page with a verified blue checkmark badge. Venmo's official Facebook page also provides updates during service disruptions. Remember to always verify that you're following the official Venmo accounts to avoid scams and ensure you receive accurate information. Venmo has limits on how much you can send each day and week to protect users and comply with regulations. For verified accounts, you can send up to $3,000 per day and $20,000 per week. Verified accounts have much higher limits compared to unverified ones. Make sure your account is verified to access the full sending limits. If you need to send more than your daily limit, consider breaking the payment into smaller amounts over multiple days. However, be mindful that frequent large transactions might trigger Venmo's security measures, so use this approach carefully. Payment declines can occur if the recipient's Venmo account has restrictions or isn't properly set up. Check their settings for business profile options that might affect receiving payments. Look at the recipient's Venmo settings screen. The highlighted area shows options like creating a business profile, which could impact payment reception. If their account is deactivated, as shown in this email, they cannot receive payments until restrictions are resolved. To resolve this, confirm with the recipient that their Venmo account is active and properly configured to receive payments. Sometimes the recipient's Venmo account has restrictions that prevent receiving payments. These can include the account not being fully verified, or the recipient having reached their weekly or monthly receiving limit. When this happens, payments will be declined. For example, if the recipient hasn't verified their account, they might see a prompt like this in the app. We recommend the recipient checks their account status in the Venmo app, completes any verification steps, and reviews their receiving limits to resolve the issue. When payment declines continue despite other troubleshooting steps, try switching to a different linked payment method. This simple workaround can help isolate the root cause of the issue. For example, if your debit card keeps getting declined, try using your linked bank account instead. This helps determine if the problem is specific to your card or affects all payment methods. If the debit card transaction fails, you can see that the issue might be with that specific payment method. Now switch to the bank account option. If the bank account works successfully, you've confirmed the issue is specific to the debit card, not Venmo itself. This helps narrow down the troubleshooting focus. When Venmo continues to decline payments, having backup options ready can save time and frustration. Popular alternatives include PayPal, Cash App, and Zelle. PayPal offers secure online payments with buyer protection and works well for both personal and business transactions. Cash App provides quick peer-to-peer transfers and includes a debit card for spending, making it convenient for everyday use. Zelle is integrated with many banks, allowing direct transfers between users without app downloads for some banks. These alternatives provide immediate solutions when Venmo isn't working, ensuring you can still send and receive payments seamlessly. In this summary, we'll recap the key takeaways for fixing Venmo payment declines. Remember the common issues. insufficient funds, payment method problems, security flags, connectivity issues, and more. Key steps to follow. Work through these solutions systematically to resolve your payment decline issues. Subscribe for more tips or leave a comment with your experiences.